Everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel. In today's video, I share with you how to make this delicious goat and fish light soup. Very quick and then easy to make, and trust me, you're gonna love it. So do stick with me if you want to know how this was made. Thank you. So in a pot, I'll start by adding my goat meat, which is already cleaned and then washed. I'll then add some charcoal roasted goat meat as well. I'll add some sliced onion, goat meat seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and then some herbs. And I'll add some green marinade as well, and I'll cover to boil. And I'm not adding water because I want it to release its own juice and flavor before I do. While proceeding to the next stage, in a different pot, I'll add some pepper, and then I'll add some turkey berries, that's going to sour, and I'll add some water, and then I'll put to a boil as well. So I checked on the meat and then stirred after 15 minutes, and you can see all the juice from it even without adding water. So I'll just cover for extra 10 minutes and then I'll check on the pepper I boiled. I'll then set aside and then allow it to cool down. So in the next stage, I'll just add 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, give it a quick stir, and then add some water and cover to boil. Pepper has already cooled down, so to a blender, I'll just add the pepper and then turkey berries I bought and blend. And after blending, I'll just add some water to loosen it, and then I'll add it back to the soup using a strainer. Introduce abri abraham dodo audio on kwano and now I so they share. After adding the water, I'll just give it a quick stir and then I'll add some onion. And with this recipe, I won't be adding fresh tomatoes, so feel free and then add. So I added a big size onion but divided into two. I have my mackerel with me here. I'll just add some seasoning to it. And this mackerel doesn't require much seasoning. So I only added a pinch of salt and then some fish seasoning. While checking on the soup, our onion is already done. So I'll just remove it and then I'll blend. And after blending, I'll add it back to the soup. I will rinse the blender with little amounts of water and then add it back to the soup. And when I'm done, I'll add the mackerel. I also added some dry fish, so when I'm done, I'll just allow it to cook on low to medium heat until it's fully done or until oil starts settling on top. At this stage, the aroma from my kitchen alone, Charlie Yanka, I'll add some papushito and then I'll leave it to cook on low heat until it's done. And I enjoy this with some fufu, of course. Thank you so much for sticking with me. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and then share to others. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.